50 horsepower and 530 newton meters of torque.
Nice. Next one, Audi R8 Performance.
We've got a 5.2 litre, naturally aspirated V10, 620 horsepower and 580 newton meters.
Okay, next one, Nissan GT-R, but it's the Nismo.
It's 3.8 twin turbo V6, now has 600 horsepower and 650 newton meters.
That's quick. And finally, the BMW M850i.
Now this has a 4.4 litre twin turbo V8 with 520 horsepower and 750 newton meters.
So all of these cars have launch control, they're all-wheel drive, and they're all automatic.
I tell you what, to decide which one we're going to drive, we should flip a coin, and whoever wins the toss chooses who drives what.
Okay.
I haven't got a coin, I just use contactless. Have you got a coin?
No.
Typical. Has anyone, have you got a coin? Can I borrow a coin? Sorry. Okay, right. So, heads or tails? I'll let you choose.
Tails, never fails.
Okay, right. Oh, too bad, man. It's heads.
You're such a cheat. Do you know what? He always cheats. Because you're cheating,
It's tails.
I'm going to choose the car. I'm going to take the R8, it's got the most power. And you're going to take the Porsche, it's got the least power.
Wait a minute. You're going in the R8. Last time you drove an R8, you were complaining that it's slow.
Listen, my car's slow. My car's slow.
Why are you taking it now?
I've got no idea what you're talking about. Slow. Matt, you always take the mickey out of me. The colours of my car.
I'm not some kind of like hooligan. With a bright reflective car.
And you're in a banana.
Hopefully it's a fast banana. Now before we race, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. Also check out Yianni's channel, Yiannimize, the link's below the video. And why not follow us on Twitter? And if you do follow us, then you have a chance to win this action camera, this HD action camera. So we'll go through the people who sign up and our current subscribers on Twitter to find out who's going to get that camera. Right then, let's get on with the race.
Do you need to peel the skin on your banana?
You know what the worst thing is? I love that colour.
That's the problem. I actually think that looks great.
Do you know what? I knew you would do. You're just jealous, aren't you?
Boring grey car I've got.
Oh, he got away so good. Oh, bye, come on, Porsche.
Oh, yes.
Oh, no.
Where's the GT-R?
The Nissan's coming back. Come on, can I beat the Nissan? Can I beat the Nissan? Can I beat the Nissan? Oh, I don't know whether I did.
Wow, this is quick.
Well, Yianni, that was super interesting.
Yeah, the first few seconds I was like, what's going on here? And then, yeah, this really, really does move.
Wow, what a lovely car. Even though it's not bright in colour.
You like it then?
Do you know why I like it? Because the interior is like my Lambo.
Oh yeah, I feel at home.
So then, what exactly happened? The £155,000 Audi R8 Performance did the standing quarter mile in 10.7 seconds. The £152,000 Nissan GT-R Nismo took 11 seconds. And the £94,000 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S took 11.1 seconds. While the £100,000 BMW M850i took 11.6 seconds. I think the BMW fanboys may be a bit cross at this race because that 8 Series, it is not the M8, it's the M850i, but it actually did pretty well.
I love how you actually have to talk about the BMW fanboys because I've seen the comments, they go in.
It's because it's my car as well. I want to, be fair on it. So, what car do you actually own? Remind me.
Okay, so yeah, it's not actually my car. It's a long-term loan from BMW, so I can do videos on it and stuff.
I own none of these cars.
Joys of being a VIP, eh?
Get loan cars. I have to buy mine.
Now we're going to have a rolling race. Gearboxes are in manual. We're all locked in third. I'm going to count it in from 50 miles an hour. Right, guys, you ready? 3,
2,
1, go! Oh, that R8's off. This is holding with it though. Oh, this is close.
Oh wow, GT-R.
That BMW did really well.
Come on.
Now I'm getting dropped and the Nissan is just ahead.
Wow, GT-R's got me. GT-R beat me. GT-R beat me.
Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we reach the cone, we're going to do a full emergency stop. So get level with me, guys.
Get level with me. No cheating.
Yianni loves to cheat on this.
I got this.
Come on.
Oh, no.
Yes.
Ah.
Yes, 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 yes.
I know Porsche stopped really well, and our car's way about the same, like 1.6 tons.
What do you think about that, Yianni?
Oh. I beat you. Eight losing. Oh no. Yeah, I've got nothing else to say.
The Nissan did all right, and the BMW took the longest, but then it is the heaviest. It
It weighs 1.9 tons, the Nissan's 1.7. That BMW.
Wow. It just loses everywhere, doesn't it?
Stop slagging off my car, otherwise I'll never get another one. It looks like, Yianni, that it's 1 to me, 1 to you, and 1 to the GT-R.
Three-way draw, and none for the BMW.
Shut up, Yianni. So even though you put me
In the least powerful car, and you in the most powerful one, you didn't win. The most important race to win is the drag race.
I've heard you say that many a time.
and the quarter mile you won, which is the main thing really, isn't it?
And I won that one, so really, I won.
You know what, Yianni? This time, I don't know what you're talking about.
Run VT.
Okay, so this has a 3-litre turbocharged flat 6 engine. I didn't say flat 6, sorry, with 500, and no, it's 450 Newton meters. I've got about like 10 numbers to remember. Right, here we go. 450 horsepower. You're smiling at me because you're not going to cock at the numbers. This is about the 5th time we've done it. Let's go.
Is this why this is the last race for me? Because it's going to take 3 hours.
So that